There's one thing you never want to see on your 2003 Ford Windstar. It's that blinking anti-theft light staring you down after you turn the key. You were just trying to make a Costco run, not solve an automotive mystery, right? Ford's anti-theft system, also known as PATS, Passive Anti-Theft System, does its job a little too well sometimes. If your van thinks you're a thief, which, let's face it, you aren't, it shuts down the ignition. Suddenly, keys you've owned for 11 years are treated like contraband. The most common pain point here is simple. Your car won't start, the dashboard says theft, and you get that unique sense of defeat that only comes from car problems. Your plans are destroyed, dignity in fragments on the parking lot pavement. So what are your options? You can tow it. You can call the dealer and talk diagnostics over the phone for $150 just to book the appointment. Or channel your inner magician and try resetting the anti-theft system yourself. No wand required, just patience and a bit of button pressing. Here's the step-by-step boiled down so even people like me, Scott in Portland OR, where rain equals rust, can follow along. First, put your key in the ignition. This is not the time for your spare, chipped key fob. You want the original master key. Next, turn the key to the on position, but don't fire it up. The dash lights will illuminate, including that lovely blinking theft icon. Wait patiently for about 10 minutes. It's crucial because this is when the anti-theft system is doing its check. After 10 minutes, the theft light should stop blinking and either turn off or stay on steadily. This is the system's way of waving a white flag. If it's still blinking wildly after 10 to 15 minutes, something deeper is amiss, but let's stay optimistic. Now, turn the key back to off. Wait a good 30 seconds. This pause lets the computer clear out its cobwebs. Pro tip, this step is skipped often, but skipping it can mean starting over. A real fun sponge if you ask me. Try starting the engine. If all went well, the van comes alive, like the good old Windstar you fell for in the first place. Statistically, owners report about a 70% success rate at home with this method based on various car forums and annoyed mechanics. If it doesn't work the first time, it happens, repeating the process one or two more times often does the trick. Sometimes the anti-theft module just needs the equivalent of a strong cup of coffee to snap out of it. Key things that trip people up. Trying with a duplicated key, not programmed for the car, missing the often wait step, or not waiting the full 10 minutes. It's like baking cookies. Skip a step and you're left with a mess. If after 3 cycles you're still stuck, that's usually the universe suggesting it might be a key programming issue or even a busted transponder in your key. At this point, sadly, it might be time for a pro scan, but don't despair. You gave it a real shot. Final tip? Get all your keys checked at the dealership next time you're in for an oil change. One dead transponder can ruin your weekend plans fast, and key programming is cheaper before disaster strikes. Now you know, and your Windstar and your sanity will thank you.